Hey, what's up, guys? I'm Anand, and we are living in a crazy time right now. And so I thought I should do something crazy about my iPhone. So, what I did is I jailbroke it, and in this video, I'm going to show you like what tweaks I have installed and how it looks. Okay, so let's get started. So these are the tweaks that I have installed on my iPhone. So first one is a font. So this one is helpful to change the font for the iPhone. So you can see my font is Roboto condensed, and you can see the difference in the screen itself, right? Next one is Barmoji. So let me demonstrate this one for you. So when you open the keyboard, you can see emojis here at the bottom. So this show you the emoji, the recent one that you have used. So top 6 recent emoji. Next tweak is BetterSettings. So this one changes the look and feel of the settings app. So let me show you preset option like dark clean mode. Okay, now it will close it, and then if you saw, now you can see the change here. Alright, next one is Cask 2. So this is the animation that you are seeing on the list view. So this applies to almost all of the app, but there are options you can customize per app basis here. But let me show you to change it quickly. So let's see slides. Now you can see the animation has changed. Cool. So this is quite interesting. Next is CoolCC, which is like your control center. So you can see my control center has some outlines here, you see, and it looks really nice. Okay, next one is Dotto Plus. So this is for replacing your notification count on the icon. So this gives you minimalist design, as you can notice here, this dot or this dot. So this is minimalist design that it provides, and I quite like this one. Next up is EZSwipe. So what it does is, once installed, you can swipe at the right edge to get the control center instead of swiping from top. So it's easy for reachability, right? You can easily swipe and open. At the left edge, you can open the notification center, and from center you can open the spotlight search. Quite interesting, right? Okay, so next one is HomePlus. So this you don't have much settings here, but I would like to show. So in Home Center you can see I have 5 rows in the dock and in the screen also. If you want, you can customize it. So you just need to pinch, and then you have settings for Docker and home screen. And there are different settings like vertical spacing, or how many rows and columns you want, or what should be the icon scale size. So you can do that. You can do the setting for page bar here. So like you can have different offset, you can see it is changing on the screen, or if you want its height to be changed, you can do that as well, something like this. And you can have this offset set again. So alright, and when you change the page, it will appear here, you can see it. Cool. So next up is NoClutter. So what it does is it has a lot of settings to hide a few of the UI part in the whole iOS itself, and this makes it minimalist design. So like if you want, you can hide complete status bar, but for me, like I have hidden like scroll bar or separator lines. So let me demonstrate the separator lines. So whenever you press and hold on an icon, you see this menu, and there used to be a line between each menu item, but now you don't see it because I have disabled it. So this gives you a minimalist view. You can play around with these settings and try which one works best for you. Okay, so next one is Quart. This allows you to tweak your notification, how it appears. There are quite a good amount of settings that you can play around with, but let me show you how it looks. So I opened the notification center. Here first thing you can notice is I have a count here about the notifications, and apart from that, you can observe the icons are circular and the notification have a rounded corner now. One more thing that Quart provides, if you scroll down or if you pull down, there is an option to clear your all notifications. As you can see, my notifications are cleared now, right? And it says no notifications. So that is quite interesting. So you play around with these settings and see which one works best for you. Next up is QuitAll. So this one is specifically to quit all the application that is running. So iOS doesn't have that feature, but here, like if you want to close all of the applications running here, you won't be able to do it in iOS in one go. But after installing this tweak, you can simply click on this clear and it will clear all the applications. So now you can see there is no application running. Okay. Next up is Safari features. So this one is primarily I have installed to have two features. One is the tab view, and which is kind of a good option so that I can quickly switch between tabs. Why not? Because iPhone screen size is quite good now. And other thing is to have this tab view like this that we usually see in iPad. Okay, so this is what I liked about this tweak. Next is Scorpion. This is specifically for calls. You can go into the customization and you select any other option. Let's say I select this one, and you can click on test also, so you can see how it looks. So you have different options here, maybe like Ether, and then go and test. So you can see like how it looks, right? So you can customize the way you want it to. Okay, you can pick the call and you can make a call. You can still keep working on other application in the background. Next up is Shuffle. So what it does is it reorganizes your settings menu of the iOS. So like you can see, all tweaks are available inside tweaks, and then apps. This contains all the user installed apps, and system apps is inside system apps, and rest of the things are here. So it reduces clutters a lot. So I quite liked this one. Next up is Snowboard. I used it only for changing the icon theme. So you can see I have Felicity installed here, and this is how it looks. You can see not all the icons are like changeable, but this is the default set, and Felicity is the free version that I have, which doesn't have a lot of icons, but still quite good. Next up is TouchFlow. So what it does is, as you can see while I'm recording the screen, it is showing a red circular touch area. So I have enabled it for only recording. Okay, if you want, you can enable it for all the time. The only thing is I also have something called DNDMyRecording. So what happens is, whenever I start recording the screen of the iPhone, it enables DND mode. So that's why you can see it in the notification. It says do not disturb, and if I go to control center, you can see the recording is started and DND mode is on, so it automatically turns on the DND. So I think that's it for this video, guys, and these are the tweaks that I have installed, and I quite liked it, and I'm enjoying it, to be honest. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.